I'm going to say something that's going to make a lot of people uncomfortable. The Toyota Camry is not the most reliable used car you can buy right now, not even close. There are luxury cars, leather interiors, flagship engineering, machines that cost $60,000 and $70,000 new, sitting in the used market right now that will outlast your neighbor's Camry, outrun its maintenance costs, and make it look like a rental car every single time they park next to each other. How? Because Toyota isn't the only manufacturer that knows how to build an engine that refuses to die, and because depreciation has done something that nobody in the mainstream car conversation is talking about. It has made certain over-engineered luxury powertrains available for less money than the reliable economy cars everyone keeps recommending. The Camry has earned its reputation honestly, but reputation and reality are two different things. And right now, reality is offering something significantly better for the same money. Today on Carverse, 5 cheap luxury cars that are genuinely, mechanically, demonstrably more reliable than a used Toyota Camry. All capable of 300,000 miles. All available right now at prices that make the Camry look overpriced. None of the cars covered previously on this channel appear here. Every single one is a fresh Carverse goldmine. Stay until the end for the 300K mile Camry beater playbook. Let's destroy the myth. Why the Camry isn't the answer anymore. The Camry's reputation was built on one foundation: proven engine families combined with Toyota's conservative manufacturing philosophy. Simple, inexpensive. The formula worked for decades. But here's what changed. Post-2018 Camry models moved to a turbocharged 2.5-liter 4-cylinder in certain configurations, introducing forced induction complexity the previous generation never carried. Used Camry prices climbed significantly as the reliability reputation attracted more buyers than supply justifies. And critically, the over-engineering premium that luxury manufacturers built into their flagship powertrains never depreciated alongside the price. The engineering stayed, the price collapsed. Certain luxury cars now offer more mechanical longevity per dollar than the Camry everyone assumes is the answer. Carverse is about finding where the value actually lives. Today, it lives here. Car number 5, Lexus IS 350, 2006 to 2013. The surgeon's daily driver. Too sporty for relaxed luxury buyers. Too old for modern feature buyers. Falls through every market crack, leaving one of Toyota's most capable naturally aspirated V6 engines in a sport luxury package at prices that are almost insulting given the mechanical quality. The 2GR FSE 3.5-liter naturally aspirated V6, 306 horsepower. Same fundamental DNA as the engine powering the Camry V6, but with higher-grade internal components, more conservative tuning, and Lexus assembly standards applied to everything surrounding it. Rear-wheel drive platform means simpler drivetrain load distribution than front-wheel drive alternatives. Independent Lexus specialists consistently report IS 350 examples exceeding 280,000 to 300,000 miles with basic maintenance. Against a used V6 Camry, the IS 350 matches it on longevity, beats it on dynamics, and destroys it on interior quality and presence. For the same money, $9,000 to $13,000. Toyota engineering, Lexus assembly. The Camry never offered this. It simply got there first. Carverse finds where the value actually lives, not where reputation says it should. Hit subscribe right now and hit the bell. Car number 4, Volvo S60 T6 all-wheel drive, 2011 to 2015. The Scandinavian Fortress. Volvo exists in a perception middle ground that creates persistent undervaluation. Too premium for economy buyers, not prestigious enough for luxury buyers, falls through completely, creating prices that reflect neither the engineering investment nor the real-world ownership record. 2-liter turbocharged and supercharged inline-6, 300 horsepower. Volvo tuned this engine conservatively. The supercharger handles low-end demand, the turbo manages high-end output. Neither system works at its stress limit. Each operates within its comfort zone. 2 non-negotiable maintenance priorities: quality full synthetic oil every 5,000 miles, and turbocharger oil feedline inspection at regular intervals. Follow these, and independent Volvo specialists report consistent longevity well past 200,000 miles. All-wheel drive, 300 horsepower. Winter capability the Camry cannot offer at any price. $8,000 to $12,000. Scandinavian engineering the market chronically undervalues. Car number 3, Acura TSX V6, 2010-2014, Honda's hidden masterpiece. Perhaps the most underappreciated Honda product in the entire used market, badge perception keeps mainstream buyers away. Enthusiasts who know what it is buy them quietly and say nothing. J35Z2 3.5-liter naturally aspirated V6, Honda's flagship naturally aspirated architecture, applied with conservative tuning and quality components reflecting the Acura specification premium. No forced induction complexity, no timing chain vulnerabilities comparable to European alternatives. The J-Series V6 simply runs, and runs, when oil changes are performed on schedule. Independent Honda specialists report TSX V6 examples with original engines exceeding 300,000 miles with regularity that reflects engineering intention rather than exceptional luck. The Camry's 2.5-liter four-cylinder carries documented oil consumption issues on certain production years that Honda never encountered in the J-Series V6. $8,000 to $12,000. Honda reliability, Acura experience, Camry money. Mystery question, drop it in the comments. Naturally aspirated V6 versus turbocharged four-cylinder for a 300,000-mile ownership goal. Which architecture do you trust more and why? Let's settle this. Car number 2, Hyundai Genesis Sedan, 3.8, 2012-2016, the Korean bombshell. The most dramatic overachievement relative to badge expectation in the used luxury market. Automotive journalists universally praised the engineering when it launched, while predicting badge snobbery would prevent commercial success. Both predictions proved correct. The result? Genuinely over-engineered luxury sedan trading at prices reflecting the snobbery, not the mechanical reality. Lambda 2, 3.8-liter naturally aspirated V6. Hyundai engineering philosophy built around one principle: failure prevention rather than failure management. No timing chain vulnerabilities comparable to European alternatives. No forced induction failure modes. A naturally aspirated V6 from a manufacturer whose warranty cost reduction culture demands engines that don't fail. Rear-wheel drive, executive interior quality, standard equipment levels that German competitors charge significant option premiums to match. Multiple independent mechanics report Lambda 3.8 examples past 300,000 miles as routine expectation, not exceptional outcome. $8,000 to $12,000. The badge snobbery discount is your Carverse goldmine. Before number 1, Carverse goes deeper than anyone else on what the used market actually offers informed buyers. Subscribe and hit the bell. This community is growing fast. Car number 1, Lincoln MKZ 3.7 V6, 2013 to 2016. Ford's best-kept secret. This one will surprise almost everyone. American luxury badge anxiety. Lincoln's Fleet Vehicle Association. The assumption that anything bearing a Lincoln badge cannot compete with Japanese reliability benchmarks. Every single assumption, wrong. The split-wing grille, panoramic retractable roof, fastback roofline with visual drama the Camry never attempted, THX certified audio, premium leather with perfect position seats, a cabin quality that reflects Ford's genuine investment in making Lincoln relevant, not a rebadging exercise. The Cyclone 3.7-liter naturally aspirated V6. 300 horsepower, no turbos, no superchargers, no complexity. A straightforward naturally aspirated V6 with conservative tuning. The same engineering philosophy making Toyota's naturally aspirated engines so predictably durable. Here is what almost every buyer completely misses. The MKZ 3.7 shares its platform with the Ford Fusion. The badge on the hood is Lincoln. The parts costs at the counter are Ford. Every independent mechanic knows this platform. Parts are available everywhere. Maintenance costs are governed by Ford pricing, not luxury brand premiums. That combination exists nowhere else on this list. Luxury presentation, mainstream parts costs, conservative naturally aspirated engineering. Independent mechanics report MKZ 3.7 examples exceeding 250,000 to 300,000 miles with original engines when oil changes are performed on schedule. Failure modes are well documented. Repair costs are predictable. Ownership experience is straightforward in a way that luxury car ownership rarely is. Against the Camry, the MKZ 3.7 matches it on powertrain simplicity, beats it on interior quality significantly, surpasses it on visual presence completely, and delivers comparable long-term reliability at lower maintenance costs per mile due to Ford parts pricing. $8,000 to $12,000. Lincoln Luxury. Ford parts pricing. Naturally aspirated V6. A panoramic roof and THX audio the Camry never offered at any price. The Camry has the reputation. The MKZ 3.7 has the engineering reality. This is the car versus gold mine thesis, completely expressed. The 300K mile Camry beater playbook. Target natural aspiration. 4 of 5 cars here carry naturally aspirated engines, not accidental. Natural aspiration eliminates forced induction failure modes entirely. When 300,000 miles is the goal, natural aspiration is the foundation. Parts ecosystem matters. Lincoln's Ford pricing. Acura's Honda availability. Lexus's Toyota ecosystem. Cheap parts from familiar mechanics change the total ownership cost calculation dramatically. Documentation over appearance. Complete service records on a car with minor cosmetic imperfections beat a clean exterior with no history every time. Buy the documented history, not the shine. Find your independent specialist. Every car here has dedicated independent mechanics at 40 to 60% below dealership labor rates. Find yours before you purchase. That relationship is the infrastructure of 300,000-mile ownership. Closing, the Camry taught you reliability. These cars deliver it. The Toyota Camry taught an entire generation of car buyers what reliability looks like. That education was valuable. But the lesson was always about engineering philosophy, conservative tuning, quality components, proper maintenance, not about the specific badge on the hood. These 5 cars apply that same philosophy, and in several cases exceed it, while adding engineering investments that Toyota's production budget never justified. The Lexus IS 350, Toyota's own naturally aspirated V6, in a sport luxury package that destroys the Camry on every dimension except reputation. The Volvo S60 T6 all-wheel drive. Scandinavian engineering with all-wheel drive and 300 horsepower at Camry pricing. The Acura TSX V6. Honda's most proven naturally aspirated V6, hidden behind a badge the market systematically undervalues. The Hyundai Genesis 3.8. Korean engineering that out-engineers the Camry on every objective metric while trading at a badge snobbery discount. And the Lincoln MKZ 3.7. Ford's proven naturally aspirated V6 in a luxury package with Ford parts pricing that makes 300,000-mile ownership more financially predictable than the Camry it outclasses. 5 cars, all more mechanically capable than the reputation-adjusted Camry Premium suggests. All available for Camry money or less. The Camry taught you what to look for. Carverse just showed you where to actually find it. Which one replaces the Camry in your garage? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. Carverse has one more video on screen right now. Click it and I'll see you there.